Considering the Geneva Motor Show is just around the corner, I thought it would be cool to refresh our memory from last year. As well as mention what is coming to this year's show. It's also a bit cringy because at times I thought I'm Casey Neistat, you'll see why, but what can we do? Let's go into it. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to Geneva Motor Show and I'm particularly excited because there are some super cool cars. And it is an event where I meet so many interesting people, so many new people who are interested in cars. Cars unite people. I love this event. I genuinely don't know if it's just me or Danish transportation system is. Because every single time I'm going to the airport, it's gonna be delayed. Nevertheless, I'm meeting some of the colleagues now for like an hour or two and then to the airport. That is one of those times when I thought it's cool to be Casey Neistat and just leave the camera randomly somewhere in a cafe filming you. Meeting is done, let's take the train ahead to the airport. Welcome to sunny Geneva. Free ticket. It's been exactly a year. I have to remember how to get to the center. Geneva train station? Yes. Okay, thank you. The ride takes 7 minutes, exactly 7 minutes. I like their precision. Right on time. Now I need to meet Tara. I have no idea where I'm going. She doesn't see me yet. And we are home. I mean, it's not my home, but we are home. Tara is one of the most welcoming persons I've ever met. Just a second. She brought me Swiss chocolate. Who does that? It's amazing. I mean, I'm on a diet, but seriously, I'm visiting her and she's buying me chocolate. Tara, thank you. Now, given the situation at Spiry, I've got my CVs ready. I need to sort a few things out and then print them. As I said, I meet so many new people. I'm sure someone is looking for a brilliant engineer like myself. Fingers crossed, because Spiry is unfortunately not continuing, which is very sad. Very, very sad. I was super sad. I am still super sad. But the life goes on. Tomorrow. Are you ready for the run? I absolutely love French people. Seriously, the conversation was going like this. Can I pay in euros? Oui, oui. Thank you. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Goodbye. Au revoir. It's just English-French. Good morning from Geneva Motor Show. Absolutely love the interior of E-Class. Just look at those air vents. And I love this feature. You can change the dial, sports, classic, and progressive. Now this is something that I want to be driven in. The G650 Landaulet. My back seat to the back. Amazing. Now this year I'm super excited because Mercedes-AMG is revealing the AMG GT4, which you've just seen the concept of last year. Really excited for this car because I think it's gonna be a direct competitor to Audi RS7, Porsche Panamera, Mercedes CLS. Really exciting times. Is that for me? Thank you very much. Look at that Alcantara, second sunroof. Hello there. Morgan, do you remember when I driven one of those? approaching now Rimac stand, one of the favorite stands on Geneva Motor Show. Why? Because every single time they're so welcoming and I come here, they tell me all about their products, all about Concept One and all about great bikes.
Upcoming models, so premiere is right here at Geneva.
If you want to know more about Rimac, I'm going to be making another video separate just for great bikes and for Concept One. So check that out, it's going to be linked here or in the description below. It's super cool. So straight after we have the Manzori Maserati Levante with tons of carbon fiber. And Bentley Bentayga again with even more carbon fiber. Okay, I'm at a Volvo stand now, and this car is particularly filmed for my friend Andreas. It is Volvo XC60. If you were to offer him a Ferrari 458 against this, he would probably take this. Before I came here, he told me, whatever you do, just film XC60. I want to see it. Jesus, I love this car. The Ferrari stand. Hopefully this helps. Are you ready for this? Because I'm not. I'm in love. Oh yeah, wow, I love the seats. They're incredible. I mean, for racing, not for the comfort, but anyways. I absolutely love the car from the rear, from the front. I'm not decided yet. It has to grow on me. This is special red color. It's for 40th anniversary.
You have one job. One job. It's not 40 years, it's 70 years of Ferrari.
So that's also special. Ferrari introducing new red color. Always a good thing. 800 horsepower. Just when we thought 740 wasn't enough in a F12, now we have 800 in a very, well, same car. So let's have a look around. We have similar, yeah, I love these flappy pedals. Interior is very minimalistic. There's not much happening here. And we have and we have this touchscreen display for your passengers to play with, which is pretty cool. Navigation. Zoom. Speed and the G-force. But I love the steering wheel. Well, this section here, I'm still getting used to it, but other than that, I love this. Let me see, what will happen if I press the button? Nothing. Well, that's unfortunate. Carbon fiber everywhere. I've actually asked for a quick interview, but that's not gonna happen. They're not allowed to talk to anyone while being recorded, so that's unfortunate. Let's go out. So that was the Ferrari stand. As I said, I love the 812 Superfast. I really like it from the back.
It's really weird that I haven't commented on the name of this car, because pretty much the whole industry was making fun of Ferrari. They're calling their car, well, super fast. More importantly, what we are expecting this year is Ferrari 488 Pista, track version of 488, and it's gonna be incredible. Really excited about this car because it's gonna go head to head with 720S, but I'm thinking that McLaren is gonna come up with track version as well, and then Ferrari might be in trouble.
My battery is also dying now, so I'll probably see you tomorrow. I am super duper exhausted, but I'm very excited for tomorrow, because tomorrow I will be filming on Aston Martin, Lamborghini, potential Bugatti, Bentley, Koenigsegg. See you tomorrow.